The topic is horoscopy. Leo is a great horoscopy. The zodiac symbol is lion. Duration is from July 22 to August 22. The zodiac element is fire. Scorpio. The people of horoscopy Scorpio is very funny. The zodiac symbol is Scorpio. Duration is from October 22 to November 21. The zodiac element is water. Cancer. The people of Cancer like playing with family. The zodiac symbol is crab. Duration is from June 20 to July 22. The zodiac symbol is water. Taurus. The people of Taurus is very funny and very angry. The zodiac symbol is boils for heat. The duration is for April 19 to May 20. The zodiac symbol is seal. Pisces. The people of horoscopy is very funny. The duration is from February 19 to March 20. The zodiac element is water. This is my presentation with horoscopy.